Hey everyone, how are we all doing today? It is Thursday, October the 18th. I'm back from a little day off yesterday, but I'm still feeling a little down. It's okay. I'm feeling a little bit better today. I'm medicated. I think I pulled something like in my back, or I slept wrong or something, so I'm moving a little slow today, but that's okay. I'm going to walk you through what I did yesterday, which wasn't a whole lot of anything except for lounging around and sort of taking it easy. I escorted my son across the stage for their homecoming show yesterday. I went to the grocery store. I went to Michael's to see if the Chrissy Ann design stuff had been put in hours yet. And even though it says it's in stock, can't find it anywhere. So still sort of waiting on that. And then I sketched out some stuff for October and the challenges, but that is really it. So I marked all of those off, made a roast real quick and easy last night. Crock pot, hello crock pot. So last night's prompt for the Bujo Junkie challenge was I am open to, and I just put new opportunities, which is generally the case. I did a little bit of journaling down here. I don't have my watch on right now, so I didn't put in the weather, but I did fill in my time bar. I'm just going to leave this as it is, and I'm going to write something up here. So, okay, so my phone rang halfway through that. I don't know where I left off. I know I was saying that Chase had a doctor's appointment today. I have been sitting on the couch taking it easy for the rest of the day, working on the November kits and working on some of the elements for tomorrow. So I'm going to mark those off. I'm going to fill in my time bar for today, my meal, and then do a little bit of journaling, and I will be right back in just a sec. Okay, y'all, so here we have it. I also put in some of the stuff that I'm just going to try to get done tomorrow, which is the November plan with me, prepping the samplers that are going out on Saturday. The kids did a fundraiser for their performing arts thing, and so you get coupons or something for free donuts. I don't know. Got to take one of those over to my uncle, and I have to release the November kit. And before we move up into any of the other spreads, which by the way I did not fill out yesterday, I figured I would show you the releases that came out the other day, which are now no longer in order, but that's okay. So they were all mood stickers. Someone asked me for the missing months of mood stickers, since not all of them since January were in the shop. So I put up the mood chicks, which were originally stickers. I don't think I had ever really included them over on the web shop, so there they are now. These were the wreaths from the January mood tracker spread, where you fill in one of the flowers each day, and they were sort of lined up like this on my journal page. So I digitized that and made those a sticker. I did, from the fairy tale theme, the pearls to go with the necklace. So each one of these, you just lay them out in whatever fashion or whatever spread you want to, and then connect each one of the little circles with just a line, and that'll make your pearl necklace. And instead of just making a bunch of circles as the stickers, I threw in the mice here to include sort of as a little bonus. And then we have mood potions, which can work for the Alice in Wonderland theme, or for a Halloween theme, or anything else which would require little potion bottles. So that works out because someone wanted just the potion bottles instead of all the little potion bottles and the little eat and drink me items, which I misspelled on the bottom of this, but that's okay. All right, so this is the one with the little cakes and cookies and things like that in it too. So these are from the Alice in Wonderland month. And then the mood flamingos were from August. So I never made the flamingos as stickers, but now there they are. So all 10 of the months so far are in the shop, so you can go back and purchase any of those. And then November, I think it's going to be little aliens, because that's what I think I'm going with on mine. All right, so now let's move back up here. And I'm going to, what am I going to write for today? I'm going to put Sniffles on here because that's the way I'm feeling today. I broke out into like 4 or 5 different sneezing fits over the course of today. It's been something. So I'm going to put Sniffles. Okay, Sniffles for today. Did not color in yesterday. I didn't write in anything for yesterday either, but that's okay. This one doesn't bother me as much because it's not as obvious that there are not 18 words here. So I am going to fill in Oogie for yesterday, obviously, because that's how I was feeling, and I am going to fill in tired. Let's call today tired. So I'm going to fill in tired for today and Oogie for yesterday. So it's been a rough week, but that's okay. Alright, so there we have our little gray ghost for today. Bless its heart, this gray has seen better days. It really has. It's sort of wearing thin on me, but we're gonna go with it so I don't have to dig out another one right now. Okay, now I need to fill this out for yesterday and today. So yesterday I did check my email, and I did check it today. I will check it again when I get over there. Instagram Insta Stories was a yes for yesterday, and I'm going to post something today. We'll mark that out. Facebook groups, yes. Yes for today. Pinterest was a no yesterday, but I will post the vlog today. Make sure I go the right way here. Okay, I did letter and I did sketch yesterday as well. All right. Oops, I almost flipped colors too soon. I'm not used to doing 2 days at once. YouTube yesterday was a big old fat no, but it's okay. I did cook yesterday and today, so let's get that out of the way. I'm gonna pick better colors for this for next month. Ones that you can see. This green just does not show up much. 15-minute clean yesterday I did, and today I did as well. Alright, that takes care of those. So it wasn't too bad on my habits for yesterday, even though I didn't do the actual vlog. I still got stuff done. Got my little bit of journaling in there from yesterday and a little bit in there for today. So that's not looking bad either. Alright, what else? What do we got? Self-care. I'm missing a color, which is orange. Orange. Where'd you go? Oh, there it is. Alright. Oh, energy yesterday was not there. And today is no different. I'm so tired. I'm really not sleeping. I woke up twice. Maybe 3 times last night with both of my legs and calves just sort of cramping up like nobody's business, and it nearly sprung me out of bed. So it's been a rough couple of days. Productivity took a hit. All right. Pain. Got things going in the wrong direction here. Hopefully that turns around and starts going in the opposite direction here soon, and all the other things start coming back up, and the pain sort of goes down. And then mood. I was a little grouchy yesterday. Alright. That takes care of self-care. I was up on time yesterday. I was in bed on time last night. I plan on being in bed on time tonight. We were cutting it close last night, but I was also up on time. I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. No way am I staying up past 3 tonight. Falling asleep, while it's still an issue for me because I have insomnia, has not been quite as big an issue the past couple of days because I've been feeling so crappy and so exhausted. But just making sure that I get in bed on time is really all that is. And I will not be staying up past 3. Okay, sales today. I have honestly not looked. I know something came in, and I'm going to check that when I get over. But I'll have to look and see exactly what it was. I see. Walking 1 mile is probably not going to happen this week. We'll see how it goes. Post on Patreon. I've already filled out for this week. The freebie, not yet. Challenges. I did work on the challenges yesterday, so I'm going to fill that out along with filling them today. I did the sketches for yesterday, and I'm going to fill both of them in ink today. No spend was a yes for both days. It's good. New products. I had those products come out this week, so we're going to go ahead and pop that in there. One of these boxes needs to be filled up. YouTube video is going to be tomorrow. Craft or paint? No. Alright, and letter is a no. Okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's starting to fill up a little bit more. So, okay. I'm kind of digging it. Maybe we'll do that again next month too. I think I do want to give this one more shot. I need to fill it out a little bit differently, but I think I do want to give that one more shot. At least. Okay, so what did I not say here? Oh, my I expect too much sometimes, because I really do. I mean, seriously, the only person putting these expectations on me as to when things need to go out for me, like the videos and things like that, is me. So, and sometimes I expect a little too much from myself, given the fact that I know that I'm not feeling great, but I'm trying to do better at that. I do want the video to go out tomorrow, because I like for the video to go out and then everything to be sort of on time. I hate feeling behind, but if it doesn't, it's really not going to be the end of the world. Maybe. We'll see. Okay, anyway, so that is going to take care of that for right now. I know there was something else that I wanted to sort of say on that page, and I can't for the life of me think what it was. So let's go and do this, and maybe it'll come to me. Alright, so for Llama's Love Lettering, we are doing Dawn of the Dead and The Conjuring. For Rando Doodles, we are doing Jafar and then Iago. Love Iago. And then Oodles of Doodles, I am doing what? Poison. I got a little poison bottle probably. I'm pretty sure that's what I drew. And Frankenstein, which honestly, Frankenstein is a little... Frankenstein was a doctor, obviously. So Frankenstein's monster is really what we were talking about when we made that prompt. So that's what I did, a little Frankenstein type monster. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to turn y'all over to the music. I'm going to lay these out, and I will see you back here at the end. Okay, y'all, so that wraps us up for today. That's Dawn of the Dead and The Conjuring here. We have got Jafar up here with Iago. We have got a poison bottle here, and because what was the prompt? Is that what it was? Poison. We got our poison bottle here, and we've got our little Frankenstein monster here. So that is going to wrap it up. I will see you all again here tomorrow, hopefully with the Plan With Me video and then the vlog. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you found it at all helpful. Until next time, happy journaling, everyone. Goodbye, and bye to Daryl.